3 stations. On station 1, there is IUI and Andrology. Our very experienced Dr. Maria Ahmed, who is MRCOG and FRCOG consultant gynecologist and fertility expert at Australian Concept Fertility Centre, is going to be a facilitator at IUI workshop. Miss Amina, who is a clinical embryologist, is going to conduct the embryology workshop. Now on station 2, this is transvaginal ovum pickup, is going to be conducted by our 2 talented consultant gynecologists and fertility expert at ACFC, Dr. Shamila Ijaz, who has done MRCOG, FRCOG, FACOG, MHPE, Dr. Samina Anwar, who has done FCPS, MRCOG, FRCOG, Dr. Shamila and Dr. Samina Anwar are going to facilitate the transvaginal ovum workshop. Dr. Ishrat, cynologist, who has a vast experience of about 15 years in this field, particularly TBS. She has completed her training, postgraduate training, and she is going to conduct the station along with Dr. Shamila and Dr. Samina Anwar. Now the station 3, the ET station, embryo transfer station, our very consultant gynecologist and fertility expert, Dr. Sana Nazir, who is dedicated and hardworking. She holds an FCPS MRCOG degree. She is going to conduct the ET station. Dr. Javeria, who is a experienced in the field of radiology. She has completed her postgraduate training after MBBS in radiology. Now she is associated at Australian Concept Fertility Centre since 8 years. So I would request now 30 doctors to please come on station, transvaginal ovum pickup station, and the other 30 doctors on the embryo transfer station. Kindly please leave your seats and go towards the station, or doctors are going to be facilitating. Thank you. We are going to start a workshop which is going to be conducted by Dr. Sana Nazir and Dr. Javeria. And the other 30 doctors, please move on to the IUI station, which is going to be conducted by Dr. Maria Ahmed. On a special note, I would like to inform you that we also allow guest doctors to perform IUI in our center. You can prepare your patient for IUI and can perform IUI at ACFC. And Dr. Samina Anwar are going to facilitate the egg pickup. Dr. Sana Nazir is going to conduct the embryo transfer workshop. I would like to inform you all that we also allow guest doctors to perform IUI in our center. You can prepare your patient for IUI and can perform IUI at Australian Concept Fertility Centre, Lahore. Our address is 15C Khalid Road near Hafiz Centre, Lahore, Gulbarga 2. This workshop is hosted by Galaxy Pharmaceuticals, AR team workshop. I would like to inform you all that we also allow guest doctors to perform IUI in our center. You can prepare your patient for IUI and can perform IUI at Australian Concept Fertility Centre, Lahore. Our address is
बाहर नहीं निकलती, लेकिन ये आपकी है अल्ट्रासाउंड प्रो, TVS वाली प्रो, ठीक है। इसके ऊपर एक आपका फिक्सेटर लगा हुआ होता है जिसके अंदर से ये आपने ओवम पिकअप मीटर डालना है। तो यहाँ पे दोनों ही फिक्स हुए हैं, वी कैन नॉट टेक इट आउट। तो इसके ऊपर आपने ग्लव चढ़ाना है, जो उसका स्टरलाइजेशन आता है ग्लव, उसके बाद इसके ऊपर क्लिप लगता है, उसके अंदर से फिर ये मीटर निकलती है। देन यू इंट्रोड्यूस इट अंदर स्पेक्ट्रम डाल के रिट्रैक्ट करके पोस्टीरियर वैजाइनल वॉल आपने इसको अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस करना है। दिस इज द गाइड वायर। गाइड वायर आपको हमेशा ही नज़र आती है इसके साथ। तो अब इसको आपने ना, आपको पता है कि जब भी आप नीडल अपने अंदर डालेंगे वो इस गाइड वायर के साथ साथ ही जाएगी। सो अब गाइड वायर ने तो नहीं हिलना, लेकिन आपने फिर अपने प्रोब को हिलाना है और आपने अपने फॉलिकल्स को इन अ रो लेकर आना है। और इसकी जो सबसे अच्छी एक टेक्निक है वो ये है कि मिनिमम पंक्चर करने के लिए आप फिर कोशिश ये करते हैं कि आप पेरिफेरी से शुरू करते हैं, एक साइड से ओवरी को लेकर आते हैं। आप एक साइड से शुरू करें ताकि आपको बार बार ना आगे पीछे होना पड़े। और 1 2 3 4 5 जो है वो एक ही गो में आप ले सकते हैं। तो आप इसको इसमें फिक्स करके, जाहिर है अच्छा आ गया, आइए आगे। ये दिस इज द नीडल।
ये इसके अंदर है टाइट
लाइट वायर इधर नजर आ रही है। लाइट वायर
ये नीले और ये
वो लैंड ये है सबको है ये होती है दिस इज द
लूप लग जाती है।
इसके साथ सक्टर लगा हुआ है एक इससे सक्शन आ रही है, इसके साथ ट्यूब लगी है जिसमें कि ओवन में इधर से फिट होके चले जाए। तो अब आपका ये है पैडल, ये आपके पास भी सक्टर मशीन का हो सकता है, आपके सिस्टम के पास भी हो सकता है, जो टेस्ट होगा कि आपके साथ हुआ वो तो आप जब इसके अंदर आप चलेंगे आपने उसको किया प्रेस ये आपके ट्यूब इसमें ब्लड आ रहा है और आगे नहीं पिछला वाला मैंने उठाया ना अभी डाइल्यूट हो रहा है आप देखिए एक में अगर
फाइव फ्लो में सारे
तब इस एक पीछे है चाहिए आप पूरा डिस्प्ले कर दें ठीक है कोशिश आपकी यही है कि दोबारा नहीं
इससे पहले
नहीं
अवॉइड मल्टीपल पंक्चर्स। अगर आपके पास एक फॉलिकल नजर आ रहा है उसके साथ ही दूसरा है तो जस्ट गो फ्रॉम वन टू अदर।
This ART workshop is sponsored by Galaxy Pharmaceuticals.
पहले ऊपर वाले बेस्ट इज व्हेन यू गो टू एंड यू ट्राई टू गो टू वन पंक्चर। आप लोबी को देख लेना वो फॉलिकल्स किस तरह डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड हैं विच वे यू वांट। यू टेक फ्रॉम द पेरिफेरी और यू टेक वन एंड देन द अदर फॉलोइंग बिलो।
Dr. Sana Nazeem is going to conduct the embryo transfer workshop.
After the information, the fifth day or the third day, depending on the quality of the embryo, or we will on the frozen we can transfer. So these are the three options: third day transfer, fifth day transfer, or fresh frozen transfer. Okay. So any interest that you have or developing, go for it. So okay, that's good. Any other question? Hi. Yeah, these are actually the two. This is the inner and this is the softer part that is made up of the silicone, and these are actually loaded here. And this is by the microscope. They just give us, load us, and then we but make sure after making the preparation, then you need to load, not before. And now I just want to ask questions. Sometimes the uterus is antibiotic and also anti-flax also. Sometimes antibiotic and anti-flax also. So what can we do in that? And we
In
want
this
to
embryo, we are doing embryo
just
ultrasound guided
wall, posterior wall, like this. So what can we do? It's not like that. Sometimes it's really very difficult. We can manage by the pulling the bladder, sometimes full bladder, maximum bladder, sometimes partially moving the some of the urine. We can make the straight bladder. And even then, sometimes we need to put and we need to like hold the interior lip with the help of the diaphragm, and we need to just stretch it so that the angle would be straighter. Or sometimes like the posterior, the retroverted uterus, we need to just put the posterior lip. So these are the two things you can do. And even that, one more important thing, when we do the embryo transfer, and after the embryo transfer, we will check from the embryologist whether the embryos are in that or not. Sometimes we just trick there. We think about that transfer, but these are not transfer. So what should we do of that embryo? Anyone can answer. Yeah, we can reinsert, but make sure the reinsertion should be 0.5 centimeter little below the previous one. So this is the rule actually. So it is done. Anything else? Yeah, that is the point. There should be no use of that annulment actually, but if the service we cannot introduce internal loss and there is like sometimes the uterus is just like this. So whenever we introduce it will just touch the posterior wall. So what can we do? In that situation we need to go ahead with the annulment, but it is in our mind that might be there is a uterine contraction and we are not very satisfied with such type of embryo transfer, and we said that it is a difficult embryo transfer and we are expecting might be there is expulsion and negative.
So look at this image. Yeah,